Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving, create a list. Sometimes there are multiple answers to a mathematics problem. The answers can be written down systematically so that all the possibilities can be seen. Try making a list. Example 1. Tom, Bill and Sam are taking part in a race. What are all the different finishing positions? Solution. If we write down all the possibilities, we have the following. So the positions of first, second and third can be filled this way. Tom, Bill and Sam, Tom, Sam, Bill. Bill, Tom, Sam, Bill, Sam, Tom. You can have Sam, Bill, Tom, or Sam, Tom, Bill. So there are 6 different finishing positions. Example 2. Mum and Dad have 2 children. Write down all the possible combinations of boy or girl. Well, for the first child, it can be a boy or a girl. If the first child is a boy, then the second child can be a boy or a girl. However, if the first child is a girl, the second child can also be a boy or a girl. So here are all the possibilities. We'll start from the dot and we climb up to the top and you get BB, boy, boy. Back to the beginning, climb again, boy, girl, boy, girl. So that's 2 possibilities. Go to the start, girl, boy, GB, and lastly, girl, girl, GG. So you can have 4 possibilities. Now BG and GB are not the same because they can be born in a different order. That's why they're not the same. Example 3. In the local tennis competition for girls, Sue, Mary, Jan and Kay play in a round robin. That is, they all play each other once. List all the games that take place. So here are the 4 competitors. Now, you've got Sue, Mary, Jan and Kay. Sue, Mary, Jan and Kay. So we write down all the possibilities. Sue, Sue means SS. Sue, Mary, SM. Sue, Jan, SJ. Sue, K, SK. And you keep going all the way to the table till you finish. Now, notice these ones here that are coloured red and some here are coloured blue. Now, the reason I've coloured the SS red because Sue cannot play against herself. So that SS doesn't count. The same with MM, JJ and KK because they can't play each other. The reason I've got SM coloured red because that's the same as MS. So Sue playing Mary is the same as Mary playing Sue. So that's why I've crossed that one out. And it's the same with all the other ones that are crossed out in red. So the only ones that are left are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 matches. So from the table we can see that all the matches played were as follows. Mary versus Sue, Jan versus Sue, Kay versus Sue, Jan versus Mary, Kay versus Mary, and Kay versus Jan. And they are the 6 possibilities that are coloured blue. Example 4. How many different outfits can you make with the following 3 pants and 2 shirts? So here are the 3 pants, here are the 2 shirts. Here are the solutions. So you put the 3 pants there and you can have this coloured shirt with each of them. Then you put the 3 pants down again and you can have that coloured shirt with each of them. So altogether you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different outfits. And that's what the question was asking. Example 5. A die is rolled and a coin is tossed in that order. So it's a specific order. List all the possible combinations that may happen. When you roll a die, that's the singular for dice, you've got a choice of 6 numbers. And here they are. That's why I've written them down that way. After you roll the die, then you toss the coin. If the die rolled a 1, the coin can be head or tail. If the die rolled a 2, the coin can be head or tail. If the die rolled a 3, the coin can be head or tail, and so on. So to get all the possible combinations, you go to the start and you go right to the top of the tree, 1H. So you can toss a 1 and a head. Go to the start again, 1T. There it is there, a 1 and a tail. So keep going back to the start. 2H, a 2 and a head. Back to the start. 2T, that is a 2 and a tail. And you keep doing that all the way through. And what do you get? They are all the possible outcomes, and altogether there are 12 of them. Now we haven't written the answer here, so we can work it out together. Bill drew a table of all the numbers from 1 to 100. How many times was the number 6 written down? So the single digit 6, how many times was it written down? Now let's work through this carefully together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, because that's 2, that's 8, 9, 10, 11. So far, we'll just put some working here so we don't forget. So far we have 11. Now let's try this row here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've already done this one. 6, 7, 8. See that? So there's 8. Now we need to check whether there are any more. Ready? Let's have a look. Sorry, we've already done these ones, so let's put a mark there to make sure we've already done those. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've already done that. 6, 7, 8. So far we have 11 and 8. Now let's quickly check if there are any more. There are none along there. No, there's none there. Along here. None there. Now, we come down this way. No, no. We've got to check very, very carefully. See that? There, there. So we don't see any along there at all. So we have, coming down this way altogether, there are 11. Coming along this way. Now, also, oh, have a look at this. Aren't we lucky? Look. We've also got that one there. That's an extra 1. Okay? So we add that one on. So see how very careful we have to be when we do our checking? There's an extra 1 there. So that gives us 11 plus 8. Okay? Is 19 plus 1 is 20. So altogether, the number 6 is written down 20 times.